Hey guys, welcome back to x2design.com. In this video, we are going to discuss about force. Force is a physical quantity that might cause an acceleration in mass. There are many definitions available for force. Force can also be described as push or a pull on an object. According to Aristotle, anything that causes an object to undergo unnatural motion can be said as force. Isaac Newton described force as mass into acceleration. This is also nothing but Newton's second law. Force has both magnitude and direction, so force is a vector quantity. SI unit for force is Newton. Let us derive force equation from Newton's second law. From Newton's second law, it stated that the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the impressed force and it takes place in the same direction in which the force acts. So we know that momentum is directly proportional to force. So from momentum is nothing but mass multiplied by velocity. Change in momentum equal to mass into change in velocity. So it can be written as mass into final velocity minus initial velocity. The rate of change of momentum is equal to mass into final velocity minus initial velocity with respect to time. So therefore momentum is equal to mass into acceleration. From Newton's second law, force and momentum are directly proportional to each other. So force is directly proportional to momentum. From the previous equation, we have momentum is equal to mass into acceleration. So we can replace that momentum with mass into acceleration. So now force is directly proportional to mass into acceleration. So F is equal to ma multiplied with a proportionality constant k. So for unit of force, it produces a unit of acceleration to the body of a unit mass. So F is equal to ma. So this is the force equation from the Newton's second law. SI unit for the force is Newton. A Newton is defined as the force while acting on a body of mass 1 kg with an acceleration of 1 meter per second square. And also, what is momentum of force? Momentum of force is a simple form of force that causes a body to rotate about a point. So momentum of force is equal to force into length. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified when we post a new video.